Hello friends, Namaskar, good morning. I welcome all of you on behalf of GV Khare Vidyalaya and Junior College. Today we are going to start new topic number 1.3, the cough and the anthem. After reading the title, one can easily say the topic is related to the cop. Cop means policeman or police, and anthem means one kind of religious song or a prayer mostly sung in a church. It is called as anthem. The cop and the anthem, this is the story regarding the policeman and the religious song, that is anthem, and in what way the relationship between anthem and cop is there. Title have not given any kind of idea to us, but let us read out the story so that we can understand what is the relation between the cop and the anthem, and what the main character Soapy deals with the anthem and the cough. Okay, now let us start with icebreaker activity. Icebreakers. Suppose you have gone to a place where the winter season is very severe. Discuss with your partner the ways in which you would protect yourself in the cold climate. Suppose you have gone to a place where the winter season is very severe. That means heavy winter season is there, heavy coldness is there. Discuss with your partner the ways in which you would protect yourself in the cold climate. Here, wave diagram is given to you. Now we have to complete the blank space given here. Ways to protect from cold climate. How can you protect yourself from the cold climate? Generally, in winter season, we wear different kinds of woolen cloth or warm cloth like sweater, jacket, caps, gloves, socks, etc. And we can protect from cold climate. Next one, we use warm and heavy blanket while sleeping. That means use of warm blanket, heavy blanket to protect from cold. Generally, in foreign country where there is heavy snowfall, these people use a room heater and protect from cold climate. In our India also, some people they use room heaters so that heat generate there, and they will protect from cold climate. We generally drinking hot tea or hot coffee, etc., and protect from cold climate. Generally, apart from this, uh, at the time of winter season, exercise that keep body warm. This is also one kind of way to protect from cold climate. To sit before bonfire, in Marathi it is called as shekuti. To sit near bonfire. This is also one way to protect from cold climate. To stay inside the closed room. This is also one way to protect from cold climate. That means how can we protect ourselves from cold climate? These are different kinds of ways. Okay, now let us start to next activity. When you see a cop approaching, you feel either relieved or scared. Discuss with your partner the situations when you feel relieved or scared. When you see a cop approaching, you feel either relieved or scared. Generally, this is common scene. If a cop is approaching, cop means policeman, police. If police is coming towards you, your heartbeats are generally increasing. So we have not get a relief, but we get scared. Scared means frightened, घाबरणं, भीनं. Discuss with your partner the situations when you feel relieved or scared. Okay, now here two situations are there. First one is relieved. That means in this situation, if the police is near or approaching towards you, you got relief. You got a sense of escape. But second situation, scared. If such kind of situation will be there, then we scared because there is no policeman. ओके नाव रिलीव्ड एक शांत वाटतं की ह्या ठिकाणी पोलीस असेल. यू आर वॉकिंग अलोन इन अ डार्क स्ट्रीट ॲट दॅट टाइम. इफ police is there, you are walking on the alone in a dark street, and if police is there, police is with you or police is approaching toward you, then you get relief or relief. Second situation, relief or relief. When I saw a thief stealing my friend's bag or my bag, and police is approaching towards me, at that time I got relief because police is coming now, and he will certainly caught the thief. That means in this situation you got relief. Next one, when I miss the correct road, when I miss the correct road, or when I was attacked by antisocial elements, at that time the police he really escape you from the dangerous situation. That means this situation where the police is like a helpful person for you, and now scared, frightened. Suppose you are riding a bike without a valid driving license and the policeman is coming toward you. At that time you are certainly fearful because maybe policeman will catch you because you drive a bike without proper driving license. That means you scared at that time. Now again, when I was driving a car using a wrong side, when I driving a car using a wrong side, at that time also I scared when I saw the policeman see me, and at that time I getting scared. Next one, at this situation, when I broke the signal at the crossing, when I break the signal at crossing, at that time also I scared because there is fear in my mind that policeman maybe caught me. That means where the policeman is getting relief with the help of policeman, and because of the policeman you scared. Okay, two situations are there. Now move to next. Discuss some of the motivating things that can change a person's life. One is given. Wow, क्या बात है. Discuss some of the motivating things that can change a person's life. Listening to an inspiring speech. Motivational things which change our life. First one, listening to an inspiring speech. At that time we are really motivated, we get inspiration, and our attitude may be changed. Now we have to complete here. Second, life changing events are there or motivating things which change a person's life. Second, attending personality development program or inspirational seminar, it can also change person's life. Personality development program or inspirational seminars. Third one, listening to an inspiring speech of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj or different kinds of heroes which are motivating our life. Listening to an inspiring speech of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. After reading books on positive mental attitude, it can also change person's life. Also, watching inspirational videos on social media. I always like to watch different kinds of videos of Nitin Bangude Patil because Nitin Bangude Patil is one of the inspiration for me. That means such kind of events, they may be change a person's life and it motivates us. Okay, now we turn to next topic in the next AV. Let us stop here.